home screen of the VPN application. Do keep in mind it will be different based on the subscription that you have. Here I do have a lot of features on the subscription here that I've purchased. As you can see here, quite a lot of features and servers that I'll be able to. So based on the subscription that you purchase on their website, you'll be able to have access to certain features and pretty much certain servers. So how to use NordVPN is very, very easy to use. You have the recent connection section here. This is pretty much where you see the most recent server that you have been connected to. And down here, you can pretty much see all the servers that you'll be able to connect to. So I have pretty much all the servers as well. Here you have the special servers which you can use. As you can see here, all of these servers have their pros and cons. So you pretty much have to know what you're using these servers for. So if I do scroll down, you can see some other servers. As you can see here, you have the countries. Here you can scroll and you're gonna see a bunch of servers. This is one of the best VPN application you can use today around the world. This is pretty much the best VPN application overall. So as you can see here, you have a lot of countries, a lot of servers for a lot of almost all countries, I would say. So as you can see, you can pretty much scroll and look for what you want. Or if you can't bother with the scroll, you can go ahead with the search icon here and pretty much enter the country or city you may want the server for. So let's say, for example, I want to connect to Jamaica. Here they have the Jamaica server, and I'll be able to pretty much tap on that server that I want to connect to. Do keep in mind, if it's your first time connecting to this or trying to connect to this VPN application, we'll ask for connection requests, so just keep that in mind as well. Down here you have duplicated servers. As you can see here, they do tell you what are duplicated servers, and as you can see here, you have the special server section. So all of these servers have their pros and cons. So down here you have the other option, which protection option, I would say. Also, this comes with the subscription that I've purchased. So do keep in mind some features you may not be able to get with the subscription purchase. So do make sure you look on the subscription that you've got to purchase and pretty much what you're getting. So here you have features which should be enabled by default. Only VPN options. You have the other side blocking feature here which you can enable. And also if you do tap on this option here, you have different options, security options, which you can enable to protect your device. As well, they do have the premium password manager and also the Nord Locker option here as well. So if I do go in the profile option, it will just show my account. Nothing much for that. I'm able to go in the settings option here, and you can go ahead and select the protocol that will be able to use. So there's a lot of protocols here. Do make sure you do your research. They do give you an explanation as to what each of these protocols will be able to do, pros and cons of these. So do make sure you do your research and pretty much look at what you want. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have the auto connect option. Will pretty much connect to the latest server that or the most recent server that you was connected. And as well, you have the split tunnel feature, which enables you to pretty much select whichever application you want to get the VPN connection, which you don't. So if I do enable this option here, I can tap on manage apps, and I can pretty much select applications that I don't want to get a VPN connection. So let's say I don't want this application here to get a VPN connection. As you can see here, you won't be getting a VPN connection. So as you can see here, VPN disabled for these apps. So the ones you want to get a VPN connection are pretty much all of these here. So that's really pretty much it for that. And do keep in mind, for it to pretty much enable, you have to pretty much reconnect the VPN connection for it to start working. So that's really pretty much it for that. And as you can see, a very, very easy VPN application to use. Everything is already there for you to use, and as well pause the server that you want to connect to. As you can see that you're connected to, as you can see, you can go ahead and let's say you want to pause it for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, up to 24 hours. You can pause the VPN connection for. But if you just want to disconnect it, you can just tap on the disconnection option down there. So very, very good VPN application. I would recommend everyone. Don't have a VPN connection and want one, good one, may need to check this one out. So now the pricing. So the NordVPN prices, as you can see here, you pretty much have to go on your website to pretty much purchase your subscription. You won't be able to purchase your subscription to the application. We'll just redirect you to their browser. So once you're on the browser, you're going to need to log in. So once you have logged in, you can go ahead and purchase your or sign up if you haven't signed up. So once you have signed up, you'll be able to go ahead and tap on the get option here. And here be able to choose the plan that you want to purchase. Here you have the two here plan, and you can tap on the arrow icon here. You can see other plans of one here, and you have a 1 month plan. So it will tell you discounts and so forth for each of these plans. You purchase a higher plan, you get more discounts. So as you can see here, you have the 1 month subscription. Pretty much what you get is 1 month subscription. And also you can tap on the compare plan option. It does compare each plan as it relates to what you're getting and what you're not getting for each of these. So that's really pretty much it for that. You can go in the here plan subscription section, and it's pretty much the same thing. So that's really pretty much, and as you can see here, the prices of the subscription and so forth. So very good VPN application. I recommend you guys checking it out. And if you haven't installed it, you should go and check it out right now. But anyways, see you guys in the next one.